Sarah, at 32, thought she was following all the right financial advice. But as she stares at her mounting bills, one detail could flip her entire financial future on its head. She's won $200 over budget this month. Will she get her finances under control, or is this just the beginning of a downward spiral? Sarah decides to take charge. She opens a spreadsheet and types 50-30-20 rule at the top. It's supposed to be her guide. The idea is simple: 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings. But there's a problem. Sarah's rent alone eats up 50% of her income. The spreadsheet seemed like a solution. It wasn't. She feels trapped. How do you save when your basics are so expensive? Her budget plan crumbles. Utilities, groceries, transit, they all pile up. A notification pings a new medical bill. It's unexpected and throws her budget into disarray. Desperate, Sarah reaches for her credit card. It's a move she knows she'll regret. The spreadsheet seemed like a solution. It wasn't. A friend suggests a financial literacy workshop. Sarah's skeptical, but decides to try it. Sarah learns she's not alone. 84% of Americans exceed their budgets, often reaching for credit. It's a common trap, and she needs a new strategy. She finds a financial literacy workshop that promises actionable insights. Here she learns that adaptability is key. Rigid budgets snap under pressure, adaptable ones flex and survive. 90% of failed budgeters in 2025 lacked this skill. That spreadsheet seemed like a solution. It wasn't. A sudden medical bill lands on Sarah's plate. It's unexpected and hefty. She reaches for her credit card, her financial lifeline. The debt deepens. Calling the hospital, she pleads for a payment plan. They offer little help. Her bank balance shrinks, the numbers turning red. Stress tightens its grip. A collection notice arrives next. It's a ticking clock counting down. Frantically, she searches for side gigs online, anything to stem the tide. She finds one promising option, but it's a long shot. Her fingers fly over the keys, completing the application. Hope flickers. The rejection arrives swiftly, a cold slap of reality. She can't catch a break. Back at the workshop, a new idea hits her. It's time to pivot. Adaptability, the speaker insists, is the survival tool. Sarah listens closely. Armed with this insight, Sarah drafts a new plan. It's time to adapt. Desperate for solutions, Sarah experiments with manifestation, yet sees no change in her finances. Her vision board is full of dreams, but her reality remains stark. Then the phone rings. It's the bank, and it's not good news. Her account balance is lower than she thought. Overdraft fees loom. Panic sets in. Her rent is due soon, and her options are shrinking. She crunches numbers, but the math doesn't add up. She's short. Desperation mounts as she scrolls through endless job listings. One opportunity catches her eye. It's a long shot, but worth a try. She interviews, nerves tingling, knowing this might be her lifeline. The wait for a response is agonizing. Every second feels like forever. Finally, an email arrives. She hesitates, then clicks it open. It's an offer. She's shocked, but the terms aren't ideal. She debates taking it, knowing it's a temporary fix at best. Faced with no better choice, she decides to accept for now. She stumbles upon a post about budgeting struggles. People share stories of living paycheck to paycheck. She realizes her situation isn't unique. Determined, she downloads a budgeting app for help. The numbers reveal stark realities. Her overspending is a bigger problem than she thought. She reaches out, hoping for guidance. The reassurance of shared struggles feels like a lifeline. Armed with new resolve, she forms a plan. She identifies areas to cut back. The potential savings offer a glimmer of hope. She sets deadlines to meet her financial targets. The challenge looms, but she's ready to fight. Determined to improve, she attends a financial literacy workshop, gaining insights into flexible budgeting. She learns how to adapt her expenses to unexpected changes. The revelation hits her like a lightning bolt. She hasn't been accounting for emergencies. Days later, her car breaks down and the repair bill is a gut punch. The urgency to find funds becomes a pressing reality. She adjusts her budget, but the numbers still don't add up. Every dollar feels like it's slipping through her fingers. Faced with a challenge, she decides to take on a side hustle. In minutes, she's marketing her skills to potential clients. The responses come faster than she expected, offering a glimmer of hope. Balancing both jobs tests her limits, but the extra income is crucial. Finally, she sees progress. Her financial goals inch closer. The savings grow, each dollar a step toward financial freedom. Armed with new strategies, Sarah revises her budget, cutting unnecessary expenses. She trims down her grocery list, focusing on essentials. Canceling unused subscriptions frees up more cash than she expected. She sets clear, achievable goals, saving for an emergency fund first. The side hustle money trickles in steadily, but her car needs another repair. The repair costs surge, threatening her newfound progress. Determined, she dives into financial forums seeking advice. She learns about negotiation tactics to lower her monthly bills. Negotiating with service providers slashes her expenses further. Finally, her budget reflects a healthier balance. Expenses down, savings up. Each dollar saved becomes a vital part of her safety net. Sarah saves $300, realizing adaptability is key to financial control. A sudden spike in food prices challenges her tight budget. She plans meals meticulously, substituting costly items for cheaper alternatives. Discovering local markets helps her stretch each dollar further. A tip about cashback apps catches her eye, promising small but cumulative rewards. She installs a cashback app, eager to test its impact on her purchases. Each scan returns a few cents, slowly building up savings. Yet, an unexpected medical bill looms, threatening her progress. Negotiating a payment plan, she secures more time and breathing room. Adapting again, she adjusts her budget to fit the new reality. Her strategy shifts, focusing on flexibility rather than rigid targets. The unpredictability of life's expenses becomes her new normal. Despite setbacks, her emergency fund inches upward dollar by dollar. Her savings account has finally turned a corner, reflecting months of discipline. But then, a message from her landlord. Rent is increasing by 10%. She calculates the numbers, feeling the pressure of her budget tightening. Hustling, she finds a freelancing gig offering an extra $150 a week. She juggles it alongside her full-time job, aiming to bridge the gap. The hours grow long, exhaustion creeping in, but she pushes onward. Despite the strain, each gig payment helps buffer her rising expenses. She consults a financial advisor seeking guidance on sustainable strategies. The advice: diversify income streams to build more resilience. Inspired, she lists potential side hustles, weighing their feasibility. Time becomes her most valuable asset, every minute accounted for. She applies for a remote position promising a more stable income. An interview offer lands in her inbox, a glimmer of hope amidst challenges. With a deep breath, she commits to seizing this opportunity. The interview goes well, and she lands the job. Finally, she feels hope. Her new salary covers the rent hike and more. Picture her now, no longer gripping that folder in fear. Her finances secure, her steps feel lighter. She can breathe again, knowing stability is within reach. She writes about the power of persistence and the value of opportunity. Her journey proves that with determination, you can change your story. Catch the next episode where we dive into how to build a 6-month emergency fund. See you next time for more money wisdom.